Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn off the high contrast keyboard option in Samsung Galaxy S22. So right now we have our high contrast keyboard enabled. How does our keyboard look like? Like this. Let's turn it off. Let's go back to our default options, default look. So settings, then we're looking for accessibility menu here, and under visibility enhancements we have high contrast keyboard. As you can see, this option is turned on, so let's turn it off. Now we should have our default gray and white keyboard. Let's check it. As you can see, we have our default keyboard back. That's all. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.